and on the west side now. Y'all take me, set for your tour. Put up on me one, but she's mama. Well, y'all a ball, mama. Says she want the third road. This and turn, knock it like a mama. We did beside her. You say me like her. Shorty, bring it over here, girl. Hey, girl, bubbling there, girl. Yeah, wind it up right there, girl. Hey, girl, me say bubbling now. Give me a mix. Hey, girl, you want to give me some. Do what you dance, turn your body. No, you want wine on it. See how my girl gonna right. You know now, me, I make a girl plus me under the grace, never the back. I make a we do it, take your part to say. Take your ball on it like a anot. I me say, take a little, take a big gun. 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 Y'all take a little, take a big gun. Level it. Level it. It's so much energy here tonight. John Raccoons, I can't hear you. Level it. Hey. You have some real busy signal fans. You have some real busy signal fans from way. Level it, remember this? Busy, I'm so busy. Busy, I'm very busy. Busy, hey. Busy, girls, I'm so busy. Busy, I'm very busy. Well, on there. I'm shouting, really please could you make me later to the greater? What can make you sing like Christina Aguilera? Come on, pop me something on me, and I can't do it. I'm in the room, I don't know why I just use it up in the window. Yeah, me just, and I really am still fish, me sleep, and I know don't tell them. And me say, tickle you, take a picante. Me say, tickle you, take a picante. Me say, tickle you. Tonight is a whole bunch of adults. Level this. Me can't tell the girl them this. Can I say this to the ladies? Take off the pants. Take off the pants. Me say take off the pants. Me say take off the pants. And then I wind up the six for me. I'll take off the pants. Y'all tickle you, take a big pants. Peace. Action. Representing the ladies, you know the thing set up. Represent